In this video, I'll show you how to use ConvertKit for email marketing, step by step. First, go to ConvertKit.com and log into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll see options like Grow, Send, and Automate. These are where all the magic happens. Start by creating a form or landing page under the Grow tab. Choose a simple template, edit your headline, add your message, and connect a tag to organize new subscribers. Copy the link or embed it on your website. That's how you'll start collecting emails. Next, go to the Send tab and click Sequences to create your first automated email series. Add a few welcome emails introducing yourself and your content. You can set delays between each email so they send automatically over time. Once your sequence is ready, link it to your sign-up form. This ensures every new subscriber instantly receives your welcome series. You can also send broadcasts. These are one-time emails like newsletters, product launches, or updates. Just select your audience, write your message, and hit send. For advanced automation, go to the Automate tab. Here, you can create flows like when someone signs up, then add tag, then send sequence. It's all drag and drop and easy to customize. Finally, check your email performance. ConvertKit shows open rates, clicks, and subscriber activity so you can improve over time. And that's it. You've just learned the basics of ConvertKit, from collecting subscribers to sending automated emails that grow your audience on autopilot.